my gazebo private wall. Get it installed halfway. There's a bracket mounted to the corner here, and right here, and right there, and right there. And the stud is about 16 inch apart. And I mount this stud to the main wall here. All these black screw here. So I'm onto that to make it more sturdy. I have one over here. There's a wire for electrical outlet. And down one more of that over here. Then I anchor down to the concrete, one right there. Another one's over here. And the third one is over there at the end, right here. And this is a access, like an open door access. Right here between this wall here. Okay. That's my plan. And the wire, this one is in the middle, close to the middle. So I'm gonna put one of the electrical outlet right here. That's for the TV, mount TV. Then one more down right here for the outlet close to the ground. And that's it for the outlet. That outlet is, that wire is tapped from them up here through there and through that junction box here. All these then tap through the house where the lamp is. Tap from the lamp from the inside and wire up through here, from there to here, to the ceiling fan, and then for the light right here, and light, and the one over there, which is controlled by this outlet switch here. The switch, and I have another outlet down here. So all of these wire is come from here. That's it. 15 amp or 20 amp, I think. All right, and here's the progress of the private wall. Got almost halfway done, and there's gonna be another one on this side, and another one on this side, so like an L shape. And there's gonna be a roof up there to cover all these. Okay, it's in progress. Everything pretty much to the design, the cut. Proud of myself. I got everything perfectly designed and cut.